guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how I did this French curl braids, and this is the French curls braids that I used for the hairstyle. In total I ended up using just 2 packs of the hair. Usually I plait it into different sections so that it just makes it easier for me to work around my head. Just finished doing the back section. Now I'm going to move to parting the front sections. I'm just applying a small amount of oil on the hair. Because it's synthetic hair, the hair can get tangled very easily. So applying a little bit of oil just makes the process a little bit smoother when sectioning the hair. And also it maintains the curls in place. The back section is done. As you can see, it looks very neat and the hair is full. Even though it's full, it feels very light. And you can see the box braid parting. And this is just me giving a victory dance because I'm so proud of myself. And this is the final look of the hair. I was attending a wedding and this is just me trying to fix it. At this point I didn't know what to style it as, but I thought let me go for this one. It can be middle parting and then side parting, which is coming up soon. I honestly love this braid. The curls are honestly beautiful, and this is me after 3 weeks and the curls are still intact. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.